People of occupied Kashmir continue to face India's brutal policies as the world is observing International Day of Remembrance and Tribute to the Victims of Terrorism today. A report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service on the day said Narendra Modi-led Indian government has stepped up its state terrorism and political injustice in occupied Jammu and Kashmir since 5th August 2019. Indian troops in their fresh act of state terrorism martyred two Kashmiri youth in the Pulwama district. The Indian Army and paramilitary forces martyred the two youth during a cordon and search operation in the district. The Indian troops also launched a cordon and search operation in the high reaches of the Halan area of the Kulgam district in the South Kashmir. All-party Hurriyat Conference has appealed to the United Nations and international human rights organizations to put pressure on India to release all Kashmiri political detainees, including APAC leadership, stuffed under tough conditions in the jails of India and the occupied territory. APAC spokesman in a statement issued in Srinagar said, India cannot suppress the freedom sentiment of the Kashmiri people. In response to the false claims made by the occupied Jammu and Kashmir's Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha that APHC leader Mirwais Umar Farooq was free and can go anywhere, Mirwais Umar Farooq has served a legal notice to the authorities demanding his release. Mirwais Umar Farooq has been restricted to his home for the last 4 years at his residence in the outskirts of the Srinagar city. An Indian army man was injured in an attack in the Pulwama district today. The Indian army man was critically injured in a clash with the Mujahideen in an operation in Parigam area of the district. Earlier, the Indian police claimed that 2 Mujahideen were martyred, including a commander in the encounter. However, it is believed that they have managed to escape. Indian government has blocked the independent news outlet the Kashmir Wala website and its social media accounts as if the arrest of its editor-in-chief Fahad Shah and reporter Sajjad Gul was not enough to satisfy the authorities' anger. In a statement issued in Srinagar, the outlet described the action as an opaque censorship. National Conference President Farooq Abdullah has castigating the Indian government led by Narendra Modi for changing names of the institutions in India and occupied Jammu and Kashmir. Farooq Abdullah in a statement issued in Srinagar asked whether the BJP government by doing so can erase the Muslim history of India and Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir Democratic Freedom Party has urged the international community to take cognizance of the increasing Indian state terrorism in occupied Kashmir. In a statement issued in Srinagar today, the DFP spokesman said that the Indian authorities have intensified their state terrorism, mainly targeting pro-freedom leaders, activists and civil society members. A strong protest march was taken out in the Jammu against the deceitful tactics of the Bharatiya Janata Party. A huge protest march was addressed by the working president of Jammu and Kashmir chapter Raman Bhalla, shouting slogans against the BJP administration. The people blocked the vehicular movement on the Jammu-Pathankot highway for some time. 45 Pakistani nationals from the Hindu community were detained in the Gujarat state of India on different charges. These Pakistani Hindus were detained and the process to send them back to Pakistan was underway, a local intelligence bureau police inspector said.